Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to download and log into the Libby app using your Harris County Public Library card. Start by opening up the App Store, which looks like a blue background with a large white A in the center. It will pop up a search box where you can search for Libby by Overdrive or by using the magnifying glass in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. For this tutorial, I am going to enter my search into the search box where it says App Store. Click the gray and blue Get button to download the app. If your security settings are set to make you log in for each app installation, please have your iTunes account password ready to go. As you can see, I have the login setting on and will need to click the Install button at the bottom of my screen, which then asks me to log in with my iTunes account password. After it downloads to your home screen, open the Libby app. You are going to follow the steps indicated by Libby to set up a library account. First, select that you have a library card. This will take you to the next screen. Please select I'll search for a library. Type in Lone Star to see our branch and select the second box for Harris County Public Library. Libby will ask you to add a library card, so please select the Enter Library Account Details link. Here, there's a box where you may type in your library card number and select Sign In. To locate your library card number for HCPL, please look under the barcode on the back of your library card. It will then display your card and a Next button. This will take you to the Libby homepage where you can borrow books. Thanks for watching this tutorial.